Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 15 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the roof and then we finish off the level 2. So as you can see, we have everything that we wanted. And then now, we're going to continue working on this. What I want to do now is to do the extrusion from the outside. So we're going to design this one now. So first, what I want to do is to add a roof for our powder room right here. So let's go to level 1 or level 2. And then, or let's do it on level 1 so that we can see the layout. And then let's select roof under architecture, and then we're just going to use roof number 1. And then here I'm going to change this to level 2 and then select rectangle, and then let's just close this off. Click finish, and then let's look at it at 3D, and then here let's put a base offset -200. So I want it to be flat like that. So once that's done, we're going to create the image or the extrusion. So let's go to our south elevation. But first, let's go back to level 1 or level 2. And we want to show where the windows are. So click on wall and then select curtain wall. And then here, let's add a wall right here, or a curtain wall right here. And then we're going to add one right here as well. Click on spacebar so that it goes from inner and then here as well. And then now, go to modify and then cut geometry, select wall and then the curtain wall. So that's good right there. I'm going to do is go to 3D, and then let's go now to south elevation. For this one, we could just pull it down because I'm gonna add some balcony right here. So I'm gonna pull it down. So -500. And if we go to 3D, we can align it on the other as well so that it's consistent in height. Align it AL and then align it here as well. So as you can see, we have our change there. And then after that, let's go back to level 2 to just view our changes. And then I'm going to go to south elevation again. And then I'm going to go and create a model in place. Choose generic model. And then press OK again. And then after that, we could create an extrusion. Pick a plane and select this wall right here. After that, we're going to select this. Let's change this to a gypsum wallboard material. GUI. Select this one and then let's duplicate this. Apply OK. And then select rectangle. Like that. And then we're going to select here as well. TR, trim and extend. Trim and extend here, and then trim and extend here. click finish. And then let's change this one to 300 so that we just see, but we're going to extend it more for sure. So we're going to extend it a little bit more like that. Of course, it's not yet done. What I want to do is to pull this one down. We have this wall right here that needs to go down a bit. So let's do finish. Select this wall and then lower it. AL, align it to the face here so that everything is good, and then align it here as well with our model. And then it's really up to you, but we're going to split this. So go to second or first. We need to know where it is. So H. So around H. This is the wall there. And then this is where it is over. So I'm going to SL. So go to second floor, SL. And then we're going to split it right here. And then if you go to 3D, now this one is split, we could lower it down. Now everything is aligning properly. Let's just double check that everything is aligned. And then as you can see, this one looks good right now. So what I'm planning to do is to have another extrusion here. So I'm going to edit in place, go to south elevation. I'm going to edit extrusion. And then I'm just going to extend this one right here so that everything is aligned. And then TR, trim and extend. And then delete that. And then click finish. So as you can see, we extended this. And then we could create a simple design right here. So go to south, and then I'm just going to create a void extrusion from this plane. And then it will be very light. Something like that. Element is too small, so what we do is we just make it big a bit, and then put 10. And then in terms of extrusion, -10, and then 10. And then click finish, cut geometry, and then let's see how it looks. So very simple, like that. I want to actually extend the line right here. So I'm gonna edit in place. And then void form, extrusion, set, pick a plane. Select this wall right here, and then do it again. And then we already know 10 as well. And then the depth is already started there. So I'm going to cut geometry and then click finish. So by just doing that, as you can see, it gives it that character. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to add, so we're going to add a little bit more here because I want to extend this one a little bit, but I'm going to delete this part right here only, just because I want to split this and make this one all the way to the top. So go to level 1, and I want to move this one along with the thickness of this one, or the depth of this one. So I'm extending this part. So the only thing that we need to do is extend this part as well. And this one, pick a new host. But at least it's a lot bigger now. We don't have enough of that. And then SL, so split element on this. And then after that, go to 3D, and then let's pull this one up. AL. There we go. And then go to level 2, and then just attach it. TR, and then TR. So now everything is big. We just need to edit this roof as well. So edit footprint, and then go to level 2, and then extend this one a bit. So this one, just to let you know, I extruded it around 1300. That's good enough. So for me, I just estimated that 1300, and then now we can make this one a lot bigger. So for the height, I want it to be 4000. There we go. So now it's a lot bigger, and then we just need to edit the family, because it's the void for that is a little bit short. So elevation, exterior. If we put this one a bit high, it doesn't follow along. We need this to follow. In terms of value, I want this one to follow along. So that's why remove constraint, delete element. So basically this one followed, but the extrusion part didn't. So load, no, and then yes. There we go. So now everything is fixed, as you can see. So I want this one to be bigger height, and then I want to use a glass only for for the railing. So I'm going to click wall and then choose curtain wall and then just add this one right here. And then go to south elevation and then choose that. If not, you go here and then estimate it like that. So that's looking good there. If you want, you could move this one a little bit. Back. Why? So that we could add in some vegetation. So I'm going to add some vegetation here. And then as you can see, everything looks good. We have some space here. And then I want to have something here as well, but I want it to be a metal roof on this side. So I'm going to go to south elevation and then I'm going to create a model in place and then generic model. And then here, another extrusion, pick a plane. I'm going to select this, but we need to set up so I'm going to use this, but I'm going to duplicate the material. Add it there, click finish, make it 0. Oh no, sorry, this one is 0 and then this one is around 100, and then let's just look how it sees there. I'm just going to add something like this and then just give it some character. So like metal, it's like a metal beam for example. I'm going to just create a sweep, pick path, and then there you go, and then edit profile. A very simple one. $60, something like that, and then we're going to copy this and then mirror it in the midpoint. And then after that, go back to level or 3D, and then we could just connect that together. And then click finish, and then finish. So it looks like a beam there. And then you want to make sure that it's in the same material. And then the last one. There we go. Then we're going to add a light here. And then here, of course, we need to edit this one a little bit. Edit. And then go to level 3. And then create extrusion. Set. Pick a plane. Select this one right here. I'm just gonna offset this one, maybe 5 offset, and then this one make it 5, and then this one is 0. I'm gonna make it 10, and then 10 thickness as well to be consistent. EL, and then align this one back, and then you want to see it, so a simple one like that, and then just put in the last gypsum wall type that we created for that. Very simple, but it will give that character there. And then why not add some void extrusion here? But so here I just need to show if everything is aligned properly, and then this is just a wall, so to create that void, actually I'm just gonna leave it like that. I think that's good enough there, but I want everything else here to be painted. So I'm gonna choose a concrete paint for this. I'm gonna use this concrete sand, and then I'm just going to select the walls. So the walls will be like this. I want a wood background for this part, so I'm going to leave this part right here, and then all concrete right here. Okay. And then just to change, this one should be, I want this one to be stone, but I know we already used stone on this, so just to change, I'm gonna use copper, and then cherry or plywood I'm going to use on this. There we go. And then because this is a model in place, that's why we cannot just paint on it. So even if we paint it concrete, so even if we try and painting this, you cannot. So you need to go to in place mask and then click on paint now. So you need to edit that. So there, we're just adding all those materials right there. Then I'm just gonna leave this one as white. And then click done, click finish. So it will be just concrete. This will be the stone, and then wood. So those are the elements, and then we have metal right here. So, and then we're gonna add vegetation on this side, and then go to ground. We're just going to add this one as a floor. So edit, duplicate. This will be grass. edit, and then grass here. Pull it up, apply, OK, and then OK. And then we could use this. TR, trim and extend, then trim and extend here. Click finish, and then go to 3D to check. So that's good right there. And then let's not forget to put this one into concrete. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.